name's Phil Wise. I'm the category manager for Sage. What I'm going to talk to you about today is the cloud and how you can harness that with regard to financial accounting. If I was pushed to give a definition of what cloud is, I would say that basically cloud's a model for the way that IT services are delivered and consumed. And the key component of that is it uses the internet. And then out the back of that comes other key elements of it. So flexibility, so accessing on multiple devices, anywhere, anytime. Short-term contracts are also a key element of what is considered cloud these days. So it tends to be on subscription, and that tends to be monthly subscription that can be cancelled. So it gives that flexibility and that easy access. And also the scalability. So it means that with cloud models, they're quite elastic. So as your business expands or contracts, you can actually, the cloud service or software can actually scale with you. We send a survey out every quarter to about 20,000 of our customers. And this is the top responses we had in terms of the reasons to embrace the cloud. So don't just take it from me, take it from our customers. So the first one is access anywhere, anytime. And that's very true of financial software as well. You can actually get a snapshot of where you are, either through mobile technology, which we have some products that fulfill that, or by just logging onto a laptop and using the cloud. And then, rather than an owner-manager perspective, you've got employee perspective. So an employee could have that flexibility to work from home, and in the traditional world of financial accounting, there'd be a desktop sitting in the corner of the office that would have the financial package on it. But that would mean someone would have to come into the office to run invoices or do a bank reconciliation. That's not true anymore. You can do it from anywhere. It can be done of an evening. It allows people to have more flexible working hours, and that's an added benefit for employees. Second benefit, cheaper and lower cost capital investment. This is especially true of startups. So if a startup business that doesn't have any systems currently and is also far more agile and is also more cost sensitive, for them it's far cheaper and very easy to subscribe to a service and not have to pay for the hardware or actually invest a lot of money in the software. So it gives far easier access. Third key reason, increasing security. Now this is where these barriers are actually turned on their head. So what was actually a barrier for most businesses? Their idea of security or backup or business continuity would be to back up to a disk or back up to a hard drive or something similar, maybe put it in the safe. But actually, a key benefit, or we're hearing from our customers, is they just basically outsource that. They outsource it to someone like us or some other cloud provider, and they actually have enterprise-level security, enterprise-level business continuity, downtimes of 0.005% or something like that. And so actually, it's actually lowering your risk, gives you business continuity, allows you to work from anywhere if if your office is flooded or something like that. So actually, rather than it being a barrier, it's a real enabler. Another element is improved data security. So real-time and integrated data means that with your data in the cloud, other applications can connect to the cloud, and then that data can be taken from the cloud and put into these applications in an automated fashion. So instead of it having to be rekeyed by a person and actually introduce an element of human error, by actually having it integrated via the cloud, it removes the chance of that human error. I think you've got to ask yourself, what problem do I have that some of this pretty cool technology can basically resolve? The benefits of cloud are significant. Definitely worth looking at, especially from an accountancy perspective. Let's face it, it's a necessity, it's pretty dull. But if you can do less by having that freedom to be out in the field or by having it more automated, then that's just all the better. But having that flexibility, saving money on IT, lowering the risk by outsourcing that, security issues, having real-time integration so that it removes the human error, and being a bit more collaborative, I think are really key things that any business could adopt or benefit from. And most importantly, I think it's choose a solution that fits your needs and circumstances. And that's it. Thank you.